Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Cregneash Village. It's the most peaceful and beautiful villages in Isle of Man. Right away, this place feels like stepping back in time. It's quiet, surrounded by rolling hills and sea views, and these little stone cottages honestly look like straight out of a storybook. These cottages, with their thick walls and thatched roofs, were once home to crofters and fishermen of Isle of Man.
In the old days, you didn't work any hours. Time didn't count as much then. It was the...
एकदम फेमस सी फुड लोकटान चाहिँ 4वटादेखि 6वटा सिङ हुन्छ लोकटान As we walk through the village, you will notice how beautifully everything is preserved here. Cregneash isn't just a museum, people still live here. It's a living community that celebrates traditional Manx life the way it used to be more than a century ago. One of our favorite parts of the village was Harry Kelly's cottage. It belonged to a local fisherman back in the late 1800s, and it's been kept exactly as it was when he lived here. His home became one of the first buildings preserved as a part of the village museum. It's thanks to places like this that the Cregneash has become a window into the island's past. Cottage चाहिँ आएर लगाउने बेसी चाहिँ नआइहाल्यो रहेछ पहिलेदेखिको रहेछ क्या तातो पानी चिसो पानी फरक गर्ने यो पनि नआइहाल्यो And you might notice some unusual sheep around here. Those are Manx Loaghtan sheep. They have got up to 4 to 6 horns and are unique to the island. Definitely worth a photo if you spot one. गोरुहरूलाई गाईहरूले तान्ने चिजहरू बग्गी As we explore the village, we can really get a sense of what life was like here over 100 years ago. This used to be a small farming and fishing community, and the village has been preserved by Manx National Heritage so the visitors can see what traditional Manx life looked like. Inside some of these cottages, you will find old tools, simple wooden furniture, and even pit fires burning in the hearth. It's like time just stopped.
और ये है चर्च
What I love most about Cregneash is how peaceful it is. You don't hear cars or crowds, just the wind, the birds, and maybe a few bleats from the sheep. It's a reminder of slower and quieter way of life that has almost disappeared elsewhere. हेर लाटिन यो चाहिँ बाबा लाटिन रहेछ लाटिन पुरानो लाटिन काठको काम गर्ने सिकर्मीको अब यो जोइनर हैन त्यहाँ फलाममा पकाउने अनि ठोक्ने हो कि कोइलामा पकाउने हो कि त्यहाँ